Did you know that a desperate Egyptian queen once wrote secret letters to her country's worst enemy, begging for help? This is the shocking story of Queen Ankhesenamun. When her husband King Tutankhamun died suddenly, 18-year-old Ankhesenamun faced a terrible choice. The old advisor Ai wanted to marry her and steal the throne, but she had a dangerous plan. She secretly wrote to Egypt's enemy, the Hittite king, begging him to send a prince for her to marry instead. "I will never marry a servant," she wrote. "Send me one of your sons to be my husband and pharaoh." The Hittite king was shocked but agreed. He sent Prince Zenanza to Egypt, but the prince never made it. Someone murdered him on the road, probably on Ai's orders. This betrayal started decades of bloody war between Egypt and the Hittites. Ankhesenamun mysteriously disappeared from all records forever. Ai became pharaoh. We only know this story because archaeologists found these secret letters in Hittite ruins thousands of years later, revealing history's first great political conspiracy.